Bohol is one of the most visited islands in the Philippines, but there are still some hidden gems at where you may enjoy your time for all yourself. I believe I found some of these places at these 3 waterfalls. Just arrived at the Ingkumhan Falls. Nato, how was the journey?
It was challenging and fun.
Yeah, so for me this was the first time I'm riding a bike, a scooter. Actually, it's really beautiful to cruise around, see all the houses, churches, the beaches. It was really windy. So now from here it's about 5 minutes to reach the waterfall. That's actually quite close and we are really excited to go for a quick swim. So from here it's about 5 to 10 minutes hike and I'm really excited because it's very hot now. Going for a quick dip. It was definitely a good idea to bring a pullover because the sun is so strong, and then with the wind on the motorcycle it doesn't really feel hot. This is a secret demographic tip. Marco is going for a jump. It's really cooling in here. I would say the water is about 24 degrees. It's definitely very refreshing. And we're pretty much alone. There are just a few other locals. And otherwise, we have this wonderful Ingkumhan waterfall for ourselves. Now leading to the Dimiao twin waterfalls. It was really great here at the Ingkumhan waterfall. We just noticed the sunlight's actually the best after 2 p.m. so possibly come here around 2:30. But yeah, what's really great, it's not so busy, so still you can consider this being a hidden gem here on Bohol. So that's the first time I'm actually driving a motorcycle. It was fine to come here and I'm really excited to head now to the next waterfall. It was quite a way to come here. Actually, not sure if you would have found it, right Nato? But yeah, we passed by a beautiful village, we saw some school kids playing and yeah, just seeing the real life here in the remote areas of the Philippines. It's now going downstairs. We can already hear the water, so the excitement is really here. And well, hiking in the tropical countries, it's a bit different from Switzerland because it's actually quite humid, so that's definitely more difficult for us Europeans to breathe. Marco just mentioned the same before. Marco, how different is it from hiking in the Swiss Alps?
Yeah, first the temperature.
Yeah.
And then the humidity is really different.
Yeah.
That makes it harder to hike.
Yeah, it's quite a killer.
Yeah.
But at least we don't have the problem of the altitude here in the Philippines.
That's right.
Well, and what I also find very enjoyable is just to listen to the sounds of the jungle and the water.
Yeah, you are most times in the shadow and not exposed on the sun. This really makes it comfortable to walk.
Yeah. here we are at the Dimiao Twin Falls. Wow, so cool here. Now we're all alone, there's nobody else around here, and so dreamy. This is a true tropical adventure. And yeah, I love it now. It's past 4, so it's not so hot anymore. Although I would say it's surely nicer during the morning with the sunlight. We're a bit late. Nevertheless, fantastic. Wow, the emerald green color of the water, it's really beautiful. And it really reminds me of Ticino in Switzerland. So I just got a flat tire. I'm here at this repair shop and they will install a new tire now. Hopefully can return safely. Marco and Nata just came back. They realized at some point that something is wrong and missing. Well, I guess that's what traveling is all about.
Welcome to the Philippines! Thank you! Salamat!
Okay, this is really important. There are some scammers on the way to this waterfall. So you will see they will write entrance fee free, but you have to make donation for the parking. Now just drive past all of these, come to this place, that's the official entry. Here you have to pay entrance fee, and then the parking, it only costs you 20 pesos per bike and 50. What? Really like the environment here. It's a bit windy, and the sounds of the jungle, the insects, also the cock. And yeah, from here it's about 8 minutes walk down to the waterfall, and you can take some bath over there. I don't know, but sometimes I'm just grateful when things don't happen the way I want. So yesterday I had a minor accident, I got a flat tire, and then I had to go to one of the repair shops, and we were talking to the guys and they recommended us to come here to the Kamugao waterfalls. And yeah, I think this is a really cool thing. You know, sometimes things go different, but then often it takes a very interesting turn. What I really like about the trail here, it's well maintained, it's very clean. And yeah, so far it's really enjoyable. Now really excited to dip my body into the cold water. I do have to say the sun is very strong. Thought this is going to be in the shade, but no, we're totally exposed. So although it's really beautiful here, we won't be staying for too long. Ein schöner Blättler Marco. Wow, it's super refreshing. The color of the water, emerald green. I think it's everywhere like this here in Bohol. Oh, and now there's a cloud coming. Not that I would welcome that otherwise, but in this case, not really unhappy about it.
We're gonna have some fresh Buko juice.
Buko?
Yeah.
Coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
Okay.
Buko in Tagalog.
How to say 3 Buko, please?
Tatlong buko nga po.
Tatlong Buko up.
Nga po. Yeah.
Very good cut. Buko. Buko juice.
Buko juice.
Yeah. Right? Buko.
Really good.
Refreshing.
Refreshing.
Cool.
Whatever you.
Alright, yeah, it was really beautiful at this waterfall, but I find the conditions there a bit too harsh. It's very sunny and UV index here in the Philippines, it's certainly very high. So myself, I would have a preference for waterfalls that are nicely embedded into the jungle. Nevertheless, it was great, it was beautiful. We were pretty much alone and now we're heading to some other attractions. We have to make a break, it's raining very strongly. But yeah, I think this is part of the experience, and yeah, although it's not great, it's at least something cool, I would say. We're stuck in the rain. We had to make a stop and we're already waiting for 20 minutes and it seems it's not getting better anytime soon. The rain just stopped and yeah, now we can finally continue. Hopefully we can make it for the ferry taking us to Cebu. Otherwise we'll have to stay for another 2 days.
We will check first when we're there.
It was so fun, motorbike cruise to waterfalls. Now if you missed out yesterday's episode about our experience here in Bohol, then I'll see you in that video. Otherwise, if you want to watch something else, then let's meet over there.